Why does your scanner show the P2510 engine code? What does it mean? P2510 is a diagnostic trouble code for ECM or PCM power relay sense circuit range. This engine code indicates that there is a problem with the ECM power relay circuit. This could mean the relay is faulty, there's an issue with the wiring, or the ignition switch itself. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty ECM-PCM power relay. Wiring issues. ECM-PCM failure. Low voltage conditions. Ignition switch issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles. It's not specific to one make or model, but it's commonly reported in Mercedes-Benz, Ford Fiesta, Chevrolet, Cadillac, Buick, and GMC. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.